This tutorial explores how to create groups in the Canvas LMS. The first thing that you want to do is click on your demo course. Next, we're going to click on the People link in our navigation pane. From here, you will want to click on the plus group set button. Here is where you will create a group set name. For this, let's go ahead and call it discussion groups. Next, we'll create the groups manually. So select all create groups later and hit save. From here, you can see our discussions tab has been created for the group. So we want to click on plus group to create groups within the discussions. So let's call the first group Group 1. We'll limit the number of people to 2 students and hit the Save button. From here, you can see our first group has been created. Next, we're going to create another group. So go ahead and call this group Group 2. Again, we'll limit it to 2 students and hit the Save button. As you can see, 2 groups have been created. Now we're going to manually add our students to each of the groups. You can click on the student and drag them over to the group you would like to add them to. You can continue this process until all your students have been assigned into a group. Now you can see all of our students have been assigned into a group.